Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa.
Hello po, ayan. Good afternoon po, Kongs. Recently po, no, nilabas po ng ating Coast Guard yung kanila nga pong naging findings na meron pong itinatayong parang reclamation ang China sa Escoda Shoal. And currently po ngayon, binabantayan na po nila ito. And apart from that, meron din pong inihahanda daw itong China na blockade sa Panatag Shoal naman po. Ito po ay in opposition dun sa gagawing Peace and Solidarity Regatta ng atin ito coalition. Ano po kaya yung magagawa na, first reaction niyo po dito na meron na namang isang lugar na inookupaan China at ano po kaya yung magagawa pa po natin para po ito ay mapigilan?
Siguro po to start, we'd like to commend the PCG, no, Philippine Coast Guard, for naagapan po ito. Nakita po nila, and now that aware po yung government natin, we're confident po that the executive will take the proper measures to make sure na hindi mangyari ulit yung nangyari dun sa ating ibang shoals, no. Kasi yun po seems to be the technique ng China. Ang galing nila gumawa ng peke, kahit peking island, kaya po nila. So kailangan po natin maagapan talaga. Nasa territory po natin ito eh. And alam naman natin Pilipino, ayaw natin ng peke. Hindi po tayo papayag dyan. So again, we commend and we support fully the PCG. I have no doubts that the House, I don't have the authority, but I'm sure I speak for everyone here. We are in full support kung ano man yan, through our PCG, AFP, Navy, kung ano man yan. The issue of the West Philippine Sea is the foremost issue, I think, of our foreign policy right now. So talagang kailangan po natin bantayan po yung atin. Now, with that po said, yung counterpart naman, it seems to be their counter initiative nung China to be blockading a shoal for, I think, regatta. I would assume this is a civilian operation. Na parang fun boating lang naman po ito. Within our waters, by what authority po would they be? Ito po yung problema po natin sa China. They insist on having peaceful negotiations. They force us into bilateral agreements. Pero resupply mission, ayaw po nila. Food and water sa ating mga sundalo, ayaw po nila. Pag simple traversing of their waters, ayaw po nila. Which are, again, our waters in international standards, because of the arbitration, lahat po ng mundo, they see it, the world stage, tayo po yung tama dito. Ngunit ayaw po nila. At ngayon, hindi po sila papayag for a simple civilian fun boating experience. I think we follow, of course, the executive. The president as the chief architect of our foreign policy, but we fully support yung direction po that we're going. Now we're having we're taking a better, tougher stand po siguro on our territory, and I think we have nothing else to do but to express our full support for this. Yun lang po.
Ako, I'm speaking as a Filipino, hindi lang as a legislator, no? As a Filipino, ito masasabi ko, no to bullying. We are a nation that is governed by laws, and we belong to an international community where the rule of law should be recognized and respected by all nations in the world. It saddens me that a country like China, which has a rich history, one of the oldest civilizations in the world, is acting in an uncivilized manner. Nakakalungkot. Pantakin ninyo pati isang civilian initiative in favor of peace, in favor of harmony between nations, susupilin nila. So ako, there comes a time in the life of every person, of every community, of every country, where you have to draw the line and say, tama na, sobra na. And we have to fight for what is ours. So ako, in the same way that I feel very much against bullying and discrimination, as a Filipino citizen, I cannot help but support our president na finally meron tayong isang leader na humaharap despite our limitations. But I am encouraged by the knowledge that we belong to a community of nations and that we have our allies as well who are more or less in the same dilemma. Na merong isang malaking bully na gustong ariin this part of the world, and we cannot let that happen. So kami dito sa Kongreso, ako, I foresee in the coming budget season, we will also try to empower our Coast Guard. And of course, depend and strengthen our alliance with other civilized countries in the world. Pananawagan lang naman sa China. If I could just say it in Chinese, I would do it. Respect our country in the same way that you would like your country to be respected. This is not something that is, just because you are bigger in terms of geography and population or economic might, you think you can get away with it. This is unbecoming of the old and rich civilization that China has always been. We expect more from China. We should be partners and not enemies. Kaya nga lang, if you keep on bullying us, you're pushing us to the corner. There will come a time that we have to defend ourselves.
Thank you po. Last question po on my part. Ang DFA po plano na pong imbestigahan yun pong sinasabi po ng Chinese embassy na meron silang recording or yung wiretap recording regarding po dun sa panibago or alternative agreement daw po between the Philippines and or military official with a Chinese diplomat. So iimbestigahan na daw po ito ng DFA. Any comments na po?
Personal opinion po, on an official stand, yes, we support the move by the DFA. Definitely have to do this. If you've been following po yung issue na ito, very unilateral, yung declaration po ng ating Department of National Defense and ating security agency and the National Security Council, todo po ang pag-deny to any form of new model na sinasabi. Todo deny to any gentleman's agreement na sinasabi. We welcome the development in the Senate for looking into an investigation on a gentleman's agreement. We look forward to having our own inquiry here in the House towards this gentleman's agreement. Pero one thing that we can see, in total unison po yung ating gobyerno. Kahit yung previous administration ngayon, although it might have been a leak doon kay ex-spokesperson Harry Roque na meron doon gentleman's agreement, pero upon checking with the personalities involved, sabi nila wala naman po talaga. So nakikita po natin, ito, personal opinion, naging desperado na po yung China. Kasi po, what kind of a foreign supposed state would try to intervene in our local politics by introducing these sort of fake or manipulated information to the point that hindi po sila makakasecure ng formal agreement. They will rely on trying to play public perception by using unauthorized, wiretapped conversations. If it's even real, baka nga po AI ito. We've seen it happen. This issue po, like I said, the foremost issue for foreign policy is this issue of the West Philippine Sea with China. And it seems to be they will stop at nothing to sway us towards their way. So with that po, I don't know if we can speak for everyone else, but we support fully yung DFA in this investigation, and I hope that they would take the appropriate action regarding the Chinese narrative. Yun na po.
Ako, I support the investigation being conducted by the DFA, no? If they're gonna conduct one. Because it's really just China being China. And they're just bullying us. They're not following our laws, our rules, no? So, sa akin, they're just being themselves, no? Being bullies as they are. So, tama yung sinabi ni Rog kanina, no? And Congresswoman Roman, we can just take so much din, di ba? In fact, it saddens me that some Filipinos, current and ex-officials of the government, are saying a different tune, di ba? We should be one in supporting our president, one in supporting our policies, no? And one in protecting our sovereignty over these islands and over these areas. So if they're claiming that there is some form of an agreement, our actions speak differently. We've been continuously supplying our troops there. We've been continuously patrolling the area. We've been continuously conducting drills. So what agreement is there to talk about? Diba? There's no such agreement.
Thank you po.
May kulanong salita na ang ibig sabihin dito ay ang pagkakaisa.
Bunyog Party List.
Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na.
Sa susunod, ang atinang suportahan, Bunyog Party List, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, lumalaban para sa bayan.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, Kapag buklod ay may pag-asa, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog